The journey into Casa Ajau begins with a striking juxtaposition. The raw, urban energy of graffiti splashed across a metal advertisement, a relic of the plot's former life as a garage. This initial encounter serves as a bold preamble to the transformation that unfolds within. Nutum Estudio undertook the challenging task of resurrecting a concrete slab, a space once dedicated solely to automobiles, and imbuing it with life. The architects envisioned a haven for humans, plants, and fauna, a space carved from the heart of Mérida's urban fabric. The constraints of the narrow, elongated plot, sandwiched between party walls, demanded a design that not only harmonized with its neighbors but also spoke the poetic language of the Mayab, the Mayan heartland. Central to Casa Ajau's design philosophy is a profound respect for the region's cultural heritage. Traditional materials like cjiwa and Tzalam, integral to Mayan architecture, were meticulously incorporated, lending an authentic texture and warmth to the structure. The adaptation of the grand arch from Uxmal's governor's palace serves as a powerful architectural statement, a deliberate act of reclaiming and honoring forgotten forms. This arch, more than just a decorative element, acts as a political gesture, a conscious effort to integrate pre-colonial aesthetics into a contemporary dwelling. Within its embrace, the second volume houses a communal space, a saloon designed for gathering, conversation, and immersive cinematic experiences. A sofa, chairs, and a projector transform the space into a social hub, acknowledging and embracing the modern human desire for shared audiovisual entertainment. The house's functional units are ingeniously divided into 3 volumes, separated by 4 verdant patios, creating an illusion of boundless space and ensuring constant cross-ventilation. The first 2 volumes, dedicated to communal living, house the kitchen/dining area and the saloon, each opening onto patios that blur the lines between interior and exterior. The intimate spaces, the bedrooms, are nestled in the 3rd volume, situated at the rear of the plot and on the upper floor. These private sanctuaries overlook patios adorned with the vibrant yellow blossoms of jabin trees. The strategic placement of vegetation not only provides privacy but also shields the glazing from the intense tropical sun, further solidifying the integration of nature as an essential architectural element. Casa Ajau, therefore, stands as a testament to the harmonious blend of historical reverence and contemporary living, a poetic dialogue between the past and the present.